Very warm good morning to everyone. Myself Bandarapu Hasvika. I am from 9th standard. Today I'm gonna express about this 10 days program. Recently we have successfully completed this program by learning basics of all subjects, because basics are very important to learn further complicated things. If we don't know the basics, then it can be hard to grasp the advanced stuff. For example, if you can't solve additions and subtractions, then you might struggle with divisions and multiplications. So I think our school is the best school among all schools, because nowhere in schools conducted this type of program, and organizing this program is not that easy. Even though our principal sir and management staff organized for us to improve ourselves in basic concepts. Because of this program, I learned so many things, including me. In my class also, all are improving. When it comes to Telugu and Hindi, as Vandana told, Hindi is our national language and Telugu is our mother tongue. But even though some members might feel that Telugu and Hindi is very tough, because of this program, I think they are feeling better, and I improved a lot. And I know because of this program, I learned how to read and how to write neatly without any mistakes in languages. Coming to English, I improved my grammatical skills, and now because of this program, I am able to communicate with others in English. Especially maths, it is PRIME. The full form of PRIME is Program of Rapid Improvement in Maths Excellence. Because of this program, so many children are improved in my perspective, and it is great to see in our school focusing on helping students, those who might feel maths is tough and who struggling with maths. Because of this program, I think they are feeling better now. And coming to physics, I'm aware of lot of basic things like the great inventors who invented such things like bulb and refrigerator, television, and also the periodic table and physical quantities and units, because these are very essential to us. In biology, I learned few discoveries and the scientific names of vegetables and the types of doctors, because these are so very important to learn. And lastly, in social, I learned Asian and European continents of their countries and capitals, and I'm aware of some current affairs and general knowledge questions, because these are very important. For example, if we are going to attempt any government exam, these are very important and these are very essential. So that's why this program makes us easy to learn basic things. And we all know that our school conducts different and new program which we never had. I think it would be nice if they continue this program every year. I'm ending by here with this. Thank you, sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity where I can share my opinion, and thank you to all for cooperating with me.